Or pants? Or am I flooding? Maybe it's capris.
Yeah, I wish I can cuss on here.
Is on the Lexus, everything big in Texas.
Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Where the fuck your waistline?
I'm so indecisive, you can cuff me, but I'm wifey. I just want a nigga who gon' stir me like a icy.
Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing a new different video, and I also have a special guest with me, my cousin DerikaDashay. So also she do have a YouTube channel, so make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box below. So today basically she's gonna be rating my outfits. Big shout out to WHOLESALE7 for sponsoring this video. They did send me a few pieces I'm gonna be trying on for you guys. So now I did pick some of these outfits out, and I got a few sent to me. So this video is sponsored. Also, I want to go ahead and thank whatever this is called, Silviax personalized jewelry that they sent me. They sent me 3 different things. So they sent me a bracelet, a necklace, and also a ring. So it came in the box like this. This is just what it looks like. And then if you open the box, this one I think is empty. Has a little cloth in it, and then it comes like this with your jewelry inside of it. It's like a velvet material. And pretty much sent me this necklace, if y'all can see. It says D Styles. They also sent me this ring, and the bracelet just looks like this. Which one is it? Okay, and the bracelet just looks like this. So it just says my middle name, it says Dashay, and it has a little heart. It's like engraved. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's super cute, and y'all should definitely hit them up for a customized jewelry piece. And they're very affordable, and it was fast shipping as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, so this is the next one. This is how they're shorts.
That one's giving me a 7, just because I like the top. I really don't care too much for the bottoms.
Yeah, the top is really cute.
It's like Erin vibes.
You think airport?
Airport, yeah, and Erin's definitely. Go check the mail.
Take care of the kids. Let them go have. I don't really like this top.
Yeah, I like the top.
I really like.
If it was in black, oh yeah, they really would have went off.
Should I wear the bottoms out in public?
Yeah, why wouldn't you? It's a set. I just like the top. I really don't care too much for the shorts.
Yeah, so you said you rate this a what? I'm
a 7.
My wig around. This is a 7?
Yes. I rate that one as a 7.
Okay. Period.
I like it when you do that right there, right there.
Right there, right there. Switch your hips when you walk and let down your hair,
Hey.
Okay.
So guys, she's in the other room changing into the second outfit. So hopefully, because the last one was a 7, I hope this one is cute. You know what I'm saying? And she's in here.
Nice outfit.
I like it.
It
makes me feel like you're finna go. Okay, bitch. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. The bottoms is I'm digging that.
Oh, girl, you scared me.
Yeah,
I was like, okay. So this is what the bottoms look like.
Stack,
yes. It has little zipper.
Yes.
You can zip them
I like that.
up and down.
I like that. Yeah.
You know, I just need to get her weight back and look a little like a milkshake or something. But yeah, it has little hand things. These are super cute.
Like that should have been in the other one too.
Oh yes, we can probably cut some holes.
Yeah, that would
make
it.
I
was yes. I was like, oh, yeah.
But this honestly, I'm hot in this. I don't. Maybe it's just like where it's hot in here, but
I like that.
It's super tight.
I give that one 7.5. I like that.
7.5. That's it. That's all I'm working. Okay, but yeah, I like this one.
I like that one. Yeah.
I wish I would have got it in black. I like stuff just I don't know black. I feel like why I'm gonna get this dirty.
Yes, I like that one.
I'm clumsy. Okay, so this is
yes. We liked this one. I liked that one. I like outfit number 3. So I really liked the second one. I like the second one better than the first one. So
okay, so this is the next outfit. It's like a
Badiana.
color.
Period. I'm digging that one. That one's definitely a 9. I'm gonna get that one a 10. I wish I can cuss on here. That's cute. The slit, honey. It's the slit for me.
What kind of? You think like some orange shoes?
That would be bomb. Yes.
Some orange shoes.
Or some clear ones. Yes. That is cute. That's giving me Miami vibes. Yes.
It's plain.
That's cute. I like
it's really, this whole side is just.
It's just me.
It's a vibe.
It is. That's cute. I give that a 10.
10. So we rating this.
Turn around. Give me a spin.
So this is what it looks like.
You gotta bring that to Miami.
I could even probably cut the hose on this just to make it look.
That is cute. This one is going to be.
This whole thing is open. Like if I untie this, this is just gonna be open.
I like that one. Yes.
This is different.
That's definitely my favorite out of all of them.
So,
giving me elegant vibes. Giving me Miami vibes. Giving me.
What do you rate this
Cabo.
one?
That one was definitely my favorite out of all of them so far. That one was cute. That one was real cute.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, got a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a...
I'm sleepy and hungry, y'all. I want some food.
I like this one.
Didn't I just say if this one tops the last one?
I like this one.
Okay, yeah, that one, that's bomb.
I like this one. Probably the most.
Yes.
So far.
Yes.
This look cute, y'all.
Out too.
The whole back is out, period.
The cake.
This
I'm digging
feels
it.
good too. This
I really like
material.
that. Yes.
What does it say? Lucky label.
Yes, I get it at 9.5.
Lucky label. Period. 9.5.
I like that. Giving me airport vibes. It's giving me.
Yes. Oh yes,
That
honey.
is cute.
I just don't. What shoes would? What do you think? Harachis? Make it a little sporty, like black and white.
Put your ones with that. You have your Cortezes. No, yeah.
Cortez, I have to try that on.
That's cute.
You think slides will even look good with this? This is like all the way to the bottom.
That's cute.
But if y'all tall, I don't know, maybe it's different for different sizes, but this fit me like literally really good.
Yes, I like smiled one.
So this one's cute. Hold on, thumbnail it. Period. So they also did send me this cute purse. I picked this out because I've been wanting for a really long time. It gives like the dupe of Louis Vuitton if you don't know stuff. So yeah, it has like this gold detailing. Hold on, can y'all see that? It's like washed out. Okay, it gives like this gold detailing. It's like a little leather material, light blue with this little thingy in the front. They come with like a little longer strap. It's the same color as this little blue thing. It's super cute, you know, get you one. All that good stuff. But if you can afford a Louis Vuitton, just get you a Louis Vuitton for like $7,000. So that is
digging the last outfit. That was cute. I might have to give me one, but in a different color, because that was cute.
I wanna go, I wanna gag, I wanna choke, I want you to touch that little dangly thing that's stuck in the back of my...
Dude, come here. Yeah, come. Bitch. Yeah.
This is the next one. The top is too big. You ain't got no. But
What was the brand?
They just
Wholesale
7. Wholesale 7. So this is this set.
That's.
I just
I
gotta.
wish we can cuss on her.
See like this side.
That is cute.
So I'm gonna just like sew it.
I like how that back is.
Sew it up a little or something.
I need that in
I might
blue.
cross the back though. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
take it off and cross it so it can like fit. You think so or no? Keep it like
I
this.
like it like that.
I'm gonna just have to like fix this side. But yeah,
That's cute. I like
that's how the
that.
back look.
Yes, that is cute.
Okay, so rate this one. This is how this look, y'all.
That's a 9 also.
9. So this one in
The
the
blue
gray
was a 9.
Oh
And
no.
then the one that you just had on, that's a 9 too. That's
So those three's 9. Period.
Yes, I'm digging that. They was kind of.
So which one airport? I think I would need a jacket for this one because that's just
Okay. No, the last one is airport.
airport. This one's like
This one is like going to the grocery store.
errands, trying to look cute, running errands or something.
Period.
So this is the Next look.
That the one. That the one right there. That is the one.
Another like airport.
That's cute. I like
looking.
that one.
This one fits good. Another
Yes.
airport one.
I like that
Back.
one. That's cute. I like that. I took it like 10
This is
times.
comfortable too.
Mhm.
Kick a nigga in their face. Jesus.
Right, you was literally like right here. Yeah.
Yes, but I mean like a lot of gold jewelry with this. That is so cute.
Yes.
Black.
Give that a 9. Oh, boy like a snake. Bald head shit. Me wink wink.
Let me see. Okay. See, the back would be. This would be like if this was lower. That's why I'm like I'm gonna
Redo that one.
yeah, like resew it. So this is all big right here. Cause if it was tight, baby,
Okay, I like the back.
like the back is cute,
I likes the back.
right?
And it makes you.
Yeah, it's like super stretchy. Look how stretchy this is. That's a lot of stretch.
Yeah.
So it's like it's supposed to be like work outfits, but we just gotta take a lot of this fabric. And the back would be cute.
I like the back. I definitely like the back.
But it's just
If it was
like
in a
you
different
come to
color.
the front,
Yeah.
it's just like
Boring. Yeah.
like why is this so high? It's just I don't know. It just gives me I don't know. But yeah, okay. So go ahead, rate it
a 6.
a 6.
Yeah. I like the back though.
Yeah, the back is super cute.
I
And it's
like the
just
back.
big. This is extra small.
That's extra small.
Do you hear me? So I'm just like I got all this here.
Bust
Going
down up
on.
in your butt.
Bust down, bust it, bust down on the gang. Oh.
Bust down up in your.
But seriously, like that's a lot of fabric just hanging. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fix that.
Yeah.
You know,
'cause-
fix that. I
Yeah,
mean,
that is not no extra small. Y'all
But it feel
are
good.
lying. That's cute. I like the back.
I don't
though.
really care for the. I mean, the color is cool. I like because it's pink. I like the color, but it's just like this front.
It's just boring.
It gotta
But
go.
The back is
But don't wait.
skinny.
Wait till I remix this, and we might put some leggings in the top or something.
Yes.
Yeah. So this just completes the video.
Sorry, I yawned. Say that
So
again.
yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.
Yes.
Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to
Yes.
see Shakia again on my channel. Also, I'm gonna link her information down in the description box below.
Yes.
And that is pretty much it. Yes. Bye.
Hey, oh yeah, mellow.
Sister have to go off like that though.